Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a full lace wig. Now I got this wig from Sam's Beauty. It is an 18-inch full lace wig and the texture is ocean wave. Now first things first, I'm going to tell y'all now, I did not fully install this wig, like glue it back down and all that. And the reason why is because the style that I wanted, I couldn't get because I didn't realize I got it too short. I originally wanted to do a high ponytail, but I wasn't gonna have enough hair hanging like I wanted it to, and I didn't have a full bundle at the house with me right then and there. Everything I had was at the shop with them. Anyway, this is how the wig look fresh out the box. Like, yeah, so I went on ahead and bleached it and plucked it. Now right here, this is the very next morning, y'all. I installed the wig last night, but I did not like the video at all. So I'm trying to learn how to put out quality videos and stuff. So it's going to take a little bit of time before I come consistent with everything like that. That's why it's been taking me a little minute to upload, because I want to give y'all good stuff, like make my quality a lot better than what it is and stuff like that. But anyway, I just pulled off the wig this morning and went on ahead and put it back on for y'all, and I just kept the same ball cap on. But I'm using boho active glue, as you can see, and I use 3 layers of it. And I'm gonna kind of show y'all something that I know a lot of y'all be commenting on my TikTok videos or whatever. So a lot of people always like, why you don't wait till the glue to fully dry, this and that. Well, with me, when I'm doing my own hair, it really don't be mattering to me. But I be putting on too thick of layers sometimes on myself. Again, it's harder for me to do my own hair than other people's hair. So when you do that, you want to make sure that you're putting the glue on there before it dries completely, because if you don't, it won't stick. So you see it's still kind of white and I still put it on. That's the reason why. And then another thing I want to address, when I'm installing wigs, I try to make sure it look good, not just for pictures but in natural lighting too. So with the ring light, a lot of times y'all go see a white cast around. Like I was saying, you will see a white cast around the hairline. Usually you only see it in the ring light. When you go into natural light and it blends and look perfectly normal. That's one thing that I kind of noticed. When you try to hide it from the ring light, sometimes it make your lace looks too dark when you get in natural light in a different light, if you kind of get what I'm saying. But you'll kind of see, and right here, when I was talking about installing the hair over glue or whatever, all I did was put makeup on top of the lace, as you can see. And you want to make sure you dry the glue with the blow dryer before you like tie it down or anything like that. Try not to see any more white, because it's still possible for the glue to dry onto the lace, as you can see how it happens with me. After that, I just sprayed my lace with bed heads and I tied my lace down. But I did it off camera because I needed to lift my hair up. This is when I got finished. Now, I had already kind of curled my hair, and I only pin curled the front to keep it out the way so I can finish gluing down the lace, you know, and all that. And this is just some simple edges, y'all. I like simple edges on myself, but, you know, other people like other stuff. So it's really up to how you like it. But I'm going to try to let y'all finish watching the video. And don't mind me, y'all was looking at the little mirror I had too. So this is kind of how it looked when I got finished. I was really just planning to see if I liked it or not. I did these curls with a flat iron. I really like my barrel curls better, but I mean, you know, to each his own. And right here, I was just planning, and you know, it's a full lace wig, so I was just doing a little half up, half down to see if I like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And also comment down below what videos you guys want to see.